Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about a different chapter in the series of speed at research and brainstorming with artificial intelligence, from theory to insight. And today's lesson is the third one. This title is Think Faster, Use Large Language Model to Level Up Research. This is a way of saying goodbye to tough overload and say hello to smartest insights. But first of all, let's talk about the context and the problem that we may have in our daily searches for information. Imagine you are looking for information about a specific topic and you start Googling endless and opening new tabs in your Chrome or in your Internet Explorer program. At one point, you may have millions, not millions, but tons of tabs opened, and you don't know which information to trust or which information to use. This is like a very chaotic situation. This is also a scenario of data overload that we have so many information that we don't know what to trust. And this make a decision fatigue. In addition, most research doesn't lead to action. So let's try to solve the situation. And for that, I propose a mental model. This mental model has three different stages. The first one is crawl, the second one is synthesize, and the third one is ideate. In the first one, in the crawling step, we can use a large language model to find different facts about any topic. In the second stage, in the synthesized part, we can use another different large language model to summarize and extract the information from the previous model. And in the third stage, in the ideate part, we can use the same model or a different one to help you generate the main ideas in your content. Let's think in a tool demo flow. For example, you can use Perplexity to research from any topic. Then you can use ChatGPT and use the content generated by Perplexity and create a new prompt that can obtain the main ideas from the previous information from Perplexity. Finally, we can use again ChatGPT and obtain or export the insight from the full study and obtaining a notion or in a document format. Let's think in how we could create this prompt to obtain the insight that we want. And for that, there are different tips that we can use. This is one example of one tip of a prompt. You can put act as a role that you need to find that fits your needs and your context. After, you can put summarize, and in the source, you can write all the content that you have. For example, the one generated by Perplexity. And after what you need, then suggest an output, where you put the format of the output that you want to obtain. For example, you can write act as a startup advisor. Analyze this research, and I paste the whole research that I obtained from Perplexity. Suggest 3 new business ideas. So this is a prompt that you can use in ChatGPT to obtain the main information from your research. This is a way of saving time and think bigger. So before, we may have me spend 4 hours to explore a new space for us, but now with these tools, we can spend only 10 minutes and we not only explore this new topic, but also get trends or get different tested angles of the information. This is all about today's lesson. I see you in the next video. Bye.